All right, here we go. You go on that side of the car and tell me when you can see the air underneath the windshield. Not underneath there, this one.
That around the phone?
Nope, go over that, behind the fender over there. Yes, now. Does it look like the bottom of the oil pan's gonna clear over this part of the car? Not yet? Okay. Yep, okay. Alright, slowly proceed. Ready? Nope, stay on there.
Telekinesis.
File.
Right. Gotta make it.
Alright, we still good?
Yes.
Still good? You sure? Good?
Yeah, we're just clearing it.
Well, he's the one that's counterbalancing the voice right now. Okay, stay where you are.
Telekinesis.
Abby, how much do we have before it hits the back of the engine bay? And back. Oh, we got plenty of room. Alright, so we're gonna have to do like down and over. Okay? Abby, you can stay over there and tell me if it gets real close to the back. Okay? Tell me if this part, back here, you gotta come back here. Tell me if this part is getting close to the firewall right here, okay? If it's gonna hit, please let me know, okay? Watching? I'll be looking. You kind of got to get up on it, like right here. Are you tall enough to look over? I think we're good, but down. Go slow in case there's something in the way. You all right? I'm gonna line up over here.
Do you want me to get off?
Stay on there.
Well, yeah, turn it.
So you need to come back.
Yeah, it needs to go
Can
back.
you hold that right there?
This?
Yes. Hold on to it straight.
Yep. That's good.
Hold still and bring it this way. Got it? How we doing, Abby? Still good? Start kind of, this part, kind of use this as a brace for your arms. And just give it a little bit of pull like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Getting close. How we doing over there, Abby? Great?
Oh, this go back.
Yep.
no. We need to go forward.
What we're doing?
It's
gonna use those tiny butt
it's way
pipes.
too far back.
Yeah, can you stand, please stand on this.
Way too far back.
Too far?
Yeah.
That's perfect over here. We still gotta go down a little bit to be able to drop that.
Oh yeah, because this side is like leaning a little bit. Yeah, 'cause it's okay. That makes sense.
So that side will drop in first.
Okay. Now that makes sense.
Makes
This
sense
side-
now?
Now I realize that side is like going that way more than that side.
Alright. We're gonna come down a little bit more.
That side is this side. You still want me to put like that little bit along it?
Yeah, just if you want to stay where you are, and we'll try and devise a plan real quick. Just don't get your fingers anywhere it's going to stay where you are. We're going to come down just a little bit more, and I'm going to slide this bolt through, okay? See if I can get a better angle. I don't think I'm going to be able to. Alright, it is what it is. Alright. We need this to be able to lower it just a tiny bit more.
Oh yeah. We're hitting the jackpot.
The jackpot. We are just a little bit shy down here. Man, was that? Oh, man, you're hitting the. What's the other side look like?
We're good. We just need to go this way a little bit.
Which
That's
way?
all. Like it needs to go like down in.
Down in, yeah. This way's gonna have to.
Like
Something like that. All right, watch your fingers. All right.
my fingers are out. This is fine. Now all you have to do is put the transmission in. We already have the transmission.
Oh, there's some other stuff we gotta do.
We have to do the wires and the radiator and the fan and all this stuff.
Exhaust,
That
all
fancy
sorts of.
stuff.
Can you do me a favor? Can you lift up a little bit? Like, just give me a little bit of upward lift. Kind of like that.
Oh, 1,500-pound engine is heavy. Oh, yeah.
Caught up on the brake reservoir.
His face is red.
You don't have to put that much effort into
Looks
it.
like they're trying to squeeze out a deuce or something.
A deuce? What are you talking
Like,
about? Guys are crazy. Come on.
Don't start that. It's contagious.
I had two different sets of mounts. I wonder if this bolt is. Careful, it's going to move a little bit.
Fingers are off.
That one is slightly larger. I wonder if this one needs to go. Alright, give me a little upward movement. About to drop that. Ain't anywhere near the friggin' hole. Don't be giving yourself a hernia.
I'll help you.
Appreciate it.
don't make yourself poop your pants.
And don't poop your pants.
Don't poop your pants.
Alright. Again. Oh. Ow.
Are you okay?
I got my finger, but we also got the bolt through, at least for now.
Yay. And now the other side.
in a minute. Let me just slide this guy on. Okay, let me grab the other bolt real quick for the smaller one. Doing, Abby? All this talk about pooping your pants, you gotta go to the bathroom suddenly. Alright, Gabe.
Zoning out.
Are you zoning out? Are you tired?
No, I'm not tired. I'm just thinking about
We are close.
the
Alright.
Guardians of the Galaxy movie, the new one that came out.
This one's on you. Can you pick up on that engine a little bit?
I'll try my
See what
best.
we're doing? Look. See that hole?
Yep.
The hole for the engine mount is about right there. No, you do not kneel on this front end of this car.
I can't reach it.
No, just grab that part right here. Pick up just a little bit. Look how strong you are. There you go. Just like that.
I'm also like planking.
You're doing what?
I'm like planking back here.
Alright, just don't leave a stain or
Ready?
anything. Okay, go for it. Go, 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 go. Alright, a little bit, wiggle it. Are you using farts?
I'm working so hard. I just tried to fart.
What the heck? It's a party
fan-
foul.
And the fan's blowing
Oh,
this way too.
That's horrible. The dang fan is in my face.
That is the perfect move.
It's got me in a sleeper hole. Alright, power through. Alright, wiggle it so I can get this bolt all the way there. Oh, keep going, keep going. Up a little bit. Up. Yeah.
Come on, come on.
Alright, I'm gonna try and help you. Hold this. Let me do the wiggling for you. I promise I won't fart in your face.
Dad.
Got it. Alright. Let me set this net on. Holy crap. We did it. High five. High five. Thank you for farting in the face.
You're welcome.
You missed it.
I farted.
Gabe
and then the
crapped
fan
in my
blew
face and
back.
then we got the engine in.
Ooh.
Cool.
Did you wipe? Did you wash your hands?
Sweet. So, F-Body Motorsport mounts, if you want to use factory K-member, cut it so you can get an AC unit in there. Love you too. Thank you, gentlemen and ladies. So, oil pan I think I got used off of somebody, but you can get those on Speedway. I think they're F-Body pans. That's a an added drain for future boost. It's a 10 AN drain line. This side doesn't have the oil filter. This side has two invisible, two AN fittings for the filter to remote connect that. So, and then the ICT billet kit, which everybody knows what those are. Alternator has a finger clearance down there, but the engine's also leaned forward. So I'm gonna adjust it real quick so it's not jacking up the motor mounts. Friggin' A. Alright, that's it for tonight. I've been here all day. Hey, we got the all the walls insulated finally. That took a while. See ya.